Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Well, Goa is prepared to be mask free because of the negligible number of COVID cases. So it is not that Goa is not ready to be mask free. Since everybody, as I said earlier, knows the importance of mask, a mask at hand is always good in order to protect yourself. Let people decide if they have to wear a mask or not.
जून जुलै पर्यंत जर सपोज कांय जायना जाल्यार व्हेरी अनलायकली जाल्यार कितें जावं शकतालें. पूण तो म्हणसर ह्या लोकांनी जे सीक लोक आहात, जाणटे लोक आसा, तांकां प्रॉब्लेमां आसा, तांणी स्वताची काळजी घेवपाची गरज आसा. जरी गव्हर्मेंटान सांगलें तुमकां कंपल्सरी ना, तरी तुमी आपली फाल्यां गव्हर्मेंटान कितें सांगलें म्हणून तुमी आपली काळजी घेवचें ना. आपली काळजी घेवकूच जाय न्ही.
There are cases coming up in Europe and China where cases थोडे वाडलेल्यो आसा. नवो वेरियंट लंडन UK डिटेक्ट जाला XE वेरियंट. सो म्हज्या मतान एटलिस्ट एक म्हयनो रावन आमी पळोवपाक जाय. थोड्यो जागा अश्यो आसा की थंय मास्क कंपल्सरी आसूंकूच जाय, लायक हॉस्पिटल सेटिंग्स, एअरपोर्ट्स, पब्लीक ट्रान्सपोर्ट प्लेसीस, वा ज्या लोकांक थंडी आसा वा जाणटे लोक आसा जे हाय रिस्क आसा तांणी मास्क कंपल्सरी घालूंकूच जाय.
Wearing masks, the transmissibility of the disease or the virus from one person to another person, if both of us are wearing masks, is hardly less than 2%. So if both of us are wearing masks, we don't get the disease at all. Even one of us has got the infection with us. So the advantage is always there. And